Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the Xiaomi Pocophone F2. Actually, this is something which is so awesome about the Xiaomi, and we all know that how much Xiaomi devices they are, and they're cheapest and budget, but the most out of it, it's unexplainable. You get things which are robust. So we're gonna see about the Xiaomi Pocophone F2, how it is. First thing first, there's an upgrade of the camera side compared to the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. So at the back we are getting like 4 cameras, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So there'll be 4 cameras. Another kind of stuff about the phone, it will be having the liquid cooling system. So some of you guys, if you don't know about the Xiaomi, how Pocophone they are, actually they are having a liquid cooling system. So we're gonna see liquid cooling system version 2.0, which is gonna be the next upgrade of liquid cooling system. Another kind of stuff, normal type C. Another kind of stuff, it won't be supporting wireless charging. So just note that this device won't be having a wireless charging. Something else which you're gonna see about the phone, it's 4700 milliampere of battery. Now I think that's an upgrade for the battery side. I won't complain about it because 4700 milliampere battery is kind of like a clutch somewhere there, but they could keep it 500 milliampere battery, to be honest, because remain like almost 200 milliampere battery, which they could just foam it up and keep it for 500. But well, you know what, I know what Xiaomi you usually just do about it. Another kind of stuff, we're gonna see a new improvement of UI. We are just like almostly using the same UI of the Xiaomi, like MUI. It's actually robust. I've been using it so many times and I'm enjoying how much MUI it is. Xiaomi Pocophone F2, we're gonna see some MUI 12 or the MUI 11, but a little bit more upgraded version out of it and stuff like that. They'll be coming up with 2 variants. First of all, the 6GB of RAM will be going alongside 128GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM will be going alongside 256GB of storage, which to me, it's actually brilliant. Very brilliant. You know why? Because we're gonna get a micro SD card, but I cross my fingers for that. It might be there or it might not. Another kind of stuff is all about the front camera. The front camera, it will be having a 20 megapixels of camera, which means it will be more enhancing when it comes to imagery and even selfie, and how much it can be focusing on the subject without letting go of the background. You know, sometimes you're like on the video and stuff, you're getting focused, and sometimes there's a light somewhere busting you, and that light will be poof out the hook of your whole device. So sometimes that's the core thing which smartphone is supposed to be fixing on the front facing camera. So sometimes we get those kind of clutches and we don't need them because lightness might be casting differently, and you're just using the phone and you get that kind of whiteness, craziness stuff alongside the camera. I think they should just go beyond fixing that. The kind of stuff, we'll be having a 64 megapixels of camera at the back. Well, having a 64 megapixel of camera, we have seen it from 108 megapixels of Xiaomi, and I don't remember the model number of that phone, but there is no quite difference on the pixels. They say these are 108. Actually, it's not that much beyond that, but it's just actually showing you different types of pixels on terms of pixels, but it's actually no difference depending on the lighting condition of your environment. That's what I can say. You can get a best picture out of it. Another kind of upgrade, I think, for the Pocophone F2, which they did a great job, is coming up with a Snapdragon 865. Well, the 865, I guess it comes up with a 5G and it works very smoothly. That's the only thing which I love about Xiaomi. And to be honest about the pricing of this phone, I guess it will be going around $500, so it won't be like the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. And right now I think the Pocophone F1, the pricing point, it will be dropping. Xiaomi Pocophone F2, it's gonna be a most kinda, I think, the next go, but there'll be some reasons to why the phone won't be that much great, because depending on the competitors, how much they come up with it. But to me, as I know, so far so good. It's just that Xiaomi Pocophones, they're so incredibly amazing when it comes to their user interface, when it comes to how much fluidity they are, how much the spec bump they keep it on. It's something which is so amazing. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Xiaomi Pocophone. Is it something for you, you're looking forward, or you're like, meh, let me just stick with the Xiaomi Pocophone F1 like me, and let me wait past the Xiaomi Pocophone F3 coming out, I'll be catching that Pocophone F2. You feel me? The pricing point whereby it will be dropping down. That's the thing which I think we have just to stick with it a little bit to see how much the valuation of the device it will go around there. Or what do you think about it? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.